Here in Snohomish County, overdose deaths from fentanyl are continuing to climb with no sign of getting better. It's a crisis Governor Inslee is trying to allocate millions of dollars towards.
And the walk of sobriety is a brave walk.
Breaking generational drug and substance use is hard.
I did grow up in that environment in my childhood from the time I was born to when I was 7 years old.
But that's exactly what high school senior Jocelyn Etherton is doing, despite the statistics.
I've been sexually assaulted in my life over multiple different times, and I think it's really important for people to have the resources to learn what sexual assault is and how to prevent it.
She runs a program at school that gives students resources to address trauma.
It has to stop with me, and I don't want that life.
Etherton was in Snohomish County to hear Governor Jay Inslee address first responders, public health, and educators about his plans to reduce fentanyl and overdose deaths in the state.
They need to be advised how deadly fentanyl is. It is a different drug. It's sort of a nuclear weapon of opioids.
In January's legislative session, Inslee is adding $50 million in new funding for the 2023-25 biennial budget. He plans to address the fentanyl crisis by allocating money to first responders, recovery supports, treatment access, overdose prevention, community health hubs, and at the very top of the list, education and awareness.
I think that implementing more resources in schools for kids to get better mental health help would greatly impact that.
From students to first responders.
It's impacting our workforce, and people are leaving the profession because they feel powerless to do something better for the patients.
And public health officials.
In many parts of my county, it's 2.5 hours to proper treatment for mental health care, and it's 5 minutes to fentanyl. And as long as that's the case, we're not going to be turning this around.
Everyone gave input and suggestions for Governor Inslee to take to the legislature. According to Governor Inslee's office, first responders were called to suspected opioid overdoses more than 2,000 times a month. That's statewide and just for this year. Here in Snohomish County, I'm Kristen Goodwillie, King 5 News.